Alright, so here are the new ruud running. It's running in heat mode. (2024) 5-ton. Nice and hot. Let's see if I can get a defrost cycle. It's this one. Also really cold. These things sound nice. 2024 5-ton. Also really hot. This is American Standard. A lion scroll. Pop. Not been running. It's from 2013 and it's a 5-ton. This is the exact same. Here's the data. Here's the logo. Alright. Here are these. This one's still dead. Carrier 38 YCC. Bristol compressor. Not been running. This is Carrier Comfort, which is from 2019 and it's a 5-ton. Not been running. Coffee scroll. Okay. Yeah. So there is a video of all these units and these brand new ruud units running. So yeah, it's finally nice to see these things go. They sound nice. They're not frozen, as you can see. This one has a roar to it. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And over and out.